Welcome to the roof of the world. Visiting Xizang for the first time ever, I'm greeted by the expansive landscapes, ethnic cultures, and a bit of altitude sickness. My journey starts in downtown Lhasa with UNESCO World Heritage Sites.
The Potala Palace,
the Xizang Temple in Xizang.
Built in the 7th century by Tibetan King Xizang Gampo, the Potala Palace used to be the winter residence for the Dalai Lamas. Every year, hundreds of local volunteers gather to give the ancient palace a facelift.
Now look at this Spider-Man.
Look at how thick the wall is.
And how deep the toilet used to be.
Nobulinka, meaning Jewel Park in Tibetan, was once the summer retreat for the Dalai Lamas. It's considered to be the largest man-made garden in Xizang. On the other hand, the Xizang Temple is considered to be the most sacred and important temple in Xizang.
This is just in front of the Xizang Temple. You can see lots of worshippers.
Pilgrims walk clockwise along Bakha Street, encircling the temple, their prayers echoing in the air, mingling with the fragrance of burning incense and pine.
It's more religious than I thought it would be. I knew that Tibetans were very Buddhist, but I thought that had died away. So it's still very, very prominent, and the monasteries were very busy.
As night falls, a live opera unfolds, recounting the story of Princess Wencheng, who journeyed from Chang'an to marry Tibetan King Xizang Gampo over 1,300 years ago. It's not just a performance, but a part of community livelihood, with over 90% of the nearly 800 cast members being local farmers and herders. Beyond the urban hustle, the tranquil Niemo County reveals itself. Nestled amidst rolling hills and pristine rivers, it is not only a feast for the eyes, but a treasure trove of cultural heritage. Beside a bubbling river, this village guards the secret to an ancient tradition. Here, skilled artisans blend natural ingredients, handcrafting incense sticks. They will later find their way into homes and monasteries and become a conduit between the earthly and the divine. In another village, the art of handmade paper thrives. Tibetans began to make paper after Princess Wencheng introduced the technology here. But its unique raw material sets it apart. By utilizing the roots of wolfsbane, which contains poisonous ingredients strong enough to keep moth and mice away, Tibetan paper gains incredible durability and becomes the principal writing material for Buddhist scriptures. The last of the three skills Niemo people take pride in is to cut ordinary pieces of wood into intricate works of art. The process demands great skill and patience. Each artisan possesses a personal set of knives, typically exceeding 20 in number. Their craftsmanship finds purpose in creating prints for scriptures and prayer flags. As I bid farewell to this enchanting land, the murmurs of rivers, the strikes of chisels, the prayers of worshippers, all reverberate within me. I couldn't help but think of a Chinese saying, one must visit Xizang twice in his life, but it captivates your heart on first visit, compelling you to return and reclaim it.